Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Rifter in the Allure specification. So this vehicle has 16-inch alloy wheels, sliding side doors, rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen features 3D navigation, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with a speed limiter. The car also features speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around.
Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.